SpaceX's Starlink is making headlines again, this time for requesting an exemption from New York's new Affordable Broadband Act. This law, which was designed to bridge the digital divide, mandates that internet providers offer low-income households plans starting at just $15 per month for 25 Mbps speeds. The goal is to ensure that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, has access to reliable internet, which is increasingly essential in today's digital age. The law, which took effect January 16th, requires internet providers to offer low-income households plans starting at just $15 per month for 25 Mbps speeds. This initiative is particularly crucial for families who rely on the internet for education, work, and accessing essential services. Starlink, which costs $120 per month, says it qualifies for an exemption since it serves fewer than 20,000 households in New York, mainly in rural areas. These areas often lack the infrastructure for traditional broadband, making satellite internet a vital service. The law aims to provide affordable internet, but SpaceX argues compliance could result in unsustainable financial impact. They claim that reducing their prices to meet the new law's requirements would not be feasible without compromising the quality and reach of their service. This has sparked a debate about the balance between affordability and sustainability in the tech industry. Other small ISPs like Windstream have also filed for exemptions. These providers, often serving niche or underserved markets, argue that the financial burden of the law could drive them out of business, ultimately reducing competition and leaving consumers with fewer choices. Starlink is less used in urban areas where other providers dominate, focusing instead on rural communities where broadband is limited. In these regions, traditional internet infrastructure is often lacking, making satellite internet a crucial alternative. This focus on rural areas is a key part of Starlink's argument for exemption. New York's Public Service Commission is now reviewing SpaceX's request. The decision will set a precedent for how similar cases are handled in the future, potentially influencing internet policy on a broader scale. The Commission's ruling will be closely watched by both industry insiders and consumer advocates. If granted, Starlink could avoid slashing prices under the new law. This would allow them to continue their current pricing model, which they argue is necessary to sustain their operations and continue expanding their service to more remote areas. Should satellite internet providers like Starlink get a pass, or should affordable internet be universal? Let us know in the comments. This debate touches on broader issues of equity, access, and the role of government regulation in ensuring fair pricing for essential services. Follow for more tech updates. Stay tuned as we continue to cover this developing story and other important tech news.